In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Shikari Shambu. Shikari Shambu is a cartoon character from comic strips in India. You can see the image of Shikari Shambu on the right hand side. Shikari Shambu has a spherical head, a hat which always covers his eyes, and a moustache which makes him look like he got an electric shock. So let's start. First, let's draw the spear for his head. Do not use a compass or anything like that for this. You remember to do it freehand because you do not need a perfect circle. It should be a bit flattened to give it that cartoonish look. Okay, so we have our spear. Now draw the line of his hat on his head. It should be on his forehead, but not too much on top, not too much on down. It should be like perfectly between. So now let's draw the protruding part of his hat. Now join it back to his head. So when you are done this much, it will look kind of like Saturn. Okay, now or remember to pause the video in between if I'm going too fast. Okay, so now let's draw his nose. Now let's draw his mouth. His mouth will be like more bottom on the bottom side of it, but not too much bottom. Then his lip. Now let's draw his moustache. In this drawing, he is happy. Whenever Shikari Shambu is really happy and excited, his moustache goes upwards, and when he gets sad or frightened, it curves downwards. So now we are drawing a happy Shikari Shambu, so his moustache will be facing upwards. And then now also draw the line on his hat. So this is the basic drawing. Now let's darken the lines. Now let's do his moustache, which is I would say it's the most interesting part. When you are coloring, remember to color it along with the shape of, like, in the same direction as the outline. If you color it like this and all, it will look very messy and scribbleish type. Remember to make it in the same direction, like almost parallel to the outline. Now moving on to the other half of his moustache. Be careful not to color over the nose. Now let's rub off the unrequired lines. Make the lines as perfect as possible. Now and then also make the nose a bit even. Now when I was coloring the okay, so now we are done. And remember not to draw eyes, because a special trait of Shikari Shambu is that his hat is always covering his eyes. So that's it. Thanks for watching.